I think this is a great gift to give. There are so many people who love coffee and love drinking teas, and what a great way to remember you is, giving them a gift that they can use on a daily basis. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. For those that are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Today I'm so excited to partner with Cricut. They are sponsoring this video and sharing how to make professional, easy looking custom mugs. I think this is the perfect opportunity since it's the holiday season. I know a lot of you, including myself, we're looking for gifts to give our loved ones. I know for me, sometimes I run out of ideas for some people because they pretty much have everything. So I like to, give them gifts that I put some thought into in time and effort, and that's things that I've actually created myself. So I plan on giving a lot of customized mugs using the Cricut machine. So let me go ahead and show you the steps. It's very easy to do, and if you don't have any ideas as far as like what to put on the mug, I'll show you some inspo that you can utilize to create your mugs. That's exactly what I did. So let's go ahead and get into it.
The first step is to create your design in Design Space. If you don't have Design Space on your computer or mobile phone, on your computer, head over to www.cricut.com and click on the apps and download Design Space. Or you can go on your mobile phone to your app store, search for Cricut Design Space and download. Once you're in Design Space, click Product Setup, create your free Cricut account and sign in. From here, select the type of Cricut machine you're connecting and follow the instructions on the screen to connect it. I'm going to be using Cricut Joy Extra for this project. In Design Space, let's find a coffee mug design to use. In the search bar, type the word mug. Then scroll down to the project section. Here is where you will find projects other creators have done that you can use. When you find a design you like, simply bookmark it. And when you want to see all the items you have bookmarked, click on My Stuff icon and look for them under the bookmarked items. Let's try using the Christmas design by the Softcraft. Click Make It. Let's select the On Mat option. Make sure you have a mat that fits your machine. There are different size mats out there depending on the machine you have. Click Confirm. One thing we need to make sure we do is toggle the mirror option on. This is an important step to remember. Let's hit Continue. The second step in the project is to cut your design with your Cricut machine. The material I will be using for the mugs is the infusible ink sheets. With this option, you can wash your mugs in the dishwasher without the design peeling off. This is also how you get that professional look. Before using your mat, remove the clear sheet on top. Then take a sheet of invisible ink and lay it on your mat with the shiny side down. In Design Space, select the Invisible Ink Transfer Sheet option. You can also bookmark this option if you plan to use it a lot. For the pressure, I like to use more, but you can leave it on the default setting. Now it's time to load the mat into the machine and click Go. Your Cricut machine will start cutting out your design. Once it's finished, click Unload on the screen and take the mat out. Next, remove the sheet from the mat. Peel away any pieces of the design you are not planning to use. You can use a weaving tool to help you do this, but I found using my hands to be sufficient. I highly recommend using Cricut's blank mugs for this project. They have a variety of colors to choose from. It's the right size and shape for the heat press that we'll be using, and it's affordable. The third and final step is to insert the mug into the Cricut mug press. Now we want to wrap our cutout design around the mug. Be sure to take your time in centering the design just how you want it to appear on the mug. And to hold it in place, I like to use heat-resistant tape. You really don't need a lot of tape to do this. You just want to place it where you think it's needed. If you find that you have a sheet that's a little bit bigger than the mug, you can always cut it down some. Now it's time to turn on your mug press. This machine is so easy to use. Simply plug it in, turn it on, and wait for the button to turn green. Next, place the mug inside. The mug press is hot at this point, so be very careful when you're placing the mug inside. Afterwards, press the flap down. When you see all 5 dots lit up, it's time to take out your mug. Be very careful and only touch the handle, and place it on top of something like a heat mat until it cools down. I waited about 30 minutes before I removed the sheet from the mug. Here is the moment we have been waiting on. Check it out. Wasn't that simple? I didn't even have to design anything. I took a design that somebody else did and I cut it out with my Cricut machine and put it in the mug press. And it looks so professional. Have you tried this? And here's a close-up of some of the other mugs that I made.
I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information to be helpful. If you have any questions or have any comments, tips, things of that nature, put it in the comment section below. And also, if you want to know all the supplies that you'll need for this project, make sure you look in the description box below. I'll put them there. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful week.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, try watching this one.